Yeah, 2 layers. Hey everybody, Luxenda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. I am going to try and recreate the Crackle-hol tumbler that I made a while back. I'll stick a bit of it in here so you can see what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen that video, I will link to it below in the description area if you want to go watch it after you watch this one, because I was never 100% sure how that crackling happened, but I've done exactly the same thing here that I did to get that cup ready, which is I took a sublimation glow tumbler. This is a 25-ounce skinny from the Stainless Depot, and I sprayed 2 layers of matte clear Rust-Oleum spray onto it. Let those dry. And now I'm going to drop alcohol inks onto it. I have all of these different colors from Marabou. I like using Marabou for this particular waterfall or rain technique because it's somewhat diluted, so the colors just seem to flow better. I am not using brass on this one, but everything else I'm going to do is about the same. I will flood it with 91% alcohol and drop the alcohol inks on, and then I will hit it with my embossing heat gun and we'll see if we can get the effect that I got last time. I'm also trying for a Halloweenish look. I've got a whole mess of colors here and they may or may not go well together. I have neon violet and sunshine yellow, apricot and red orange, amethyst, dark denim and azure blue or azure blue, and I have slate. This is the turner that goes
to 11.
Please excuse the noise. That's the motor running at,
11.
So here we go. If you see a whole lot of color down here in the pan, don't assume that I'm wasting that much alcohol ink. It's mostly this clear alcohol, which is very inexpensive to get at Walmart. It's actually not too bad. Okay, see what happens. Maybe nothing. Oh, there it is. I'm crackling. Yay. You see it? That is very cool. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more of, what is this? The sunshine yellow, just to fill in this one gap here. Okay, I'm just gonna let this spin. Most of it's dry, parts of it are still a little wet. I'm gonna let it run until it's completely dry and then we'll come back and take a look at it. So stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, this has completely dried. It is beautiful. I think it's great for a Halloween background. I am going to put resin on this to protect what we've done, and then I will bring you back for the decal part. So stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, this turned out so gorgeous. I'm so excited with this. The crackles and everything, I love it. So this confirms my theory that if you take a glow tumbler, a sublimation glow tumbler, and you spray it with 2 layers of Rust-Oleum matte clear spray, and then you do the alcohol ink waterfall method using a heat gun, the 2 layers of the matte clear will actually crackle once you hit everything with the heat gun. I love this. I love this effect. Maybe nobody else does, but I think it's really cool, especially for a Halloween tumbler. So we are going to put our decals on now. I'll get my cup cradle here. I will link to everything below. I get a lot of questions about this. I've tried so many. I've tried the PVC pipes, tried the 3D printer version. This is the one I keep coming back to. I just love it. It is adjustable. You can even make it longer if you need to by doing this. So it holds longer cups. And it tilts in different degrees based on where you put the pegs in the back. It is my favorite, and it was like $16. It fluctuates on Amazon between $16 and $19, but either one I think is well worth it. Just my opinion, but I will link to it below in the description area. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to put a sort of filigree spiderweb decal up here. And then down here, I'm going to put mostly printable vinyl. The shoe will be printable vinyl that I've cut out on my Cricut. And I did the words separately. So the trick here is I have to put the words down first. They are in cut vinyl. So I have to put them where I want them first and then slot the shoe in because it's printable vinyl and it's more delicate. And then up here is where we're going to put. This is my Dollar Tree silver vinyl, which is actually more like a paper. I get this to cut using the washi sheet setting, not washi tape. There are 2 washi settings. So look for washi sheet. It is actually a gentler cut than the washi tape setting. Okay, that's there. Now, the real trick is to get the words on first where I want them. So this is kind of sort of the hinge method. Kinda. Kinda. Let's see if I can do it. It will not show up well. I thought about offsetting it with white or something, and I just didn't want to. So I admit the witchy part disappears a little bit against the blue there. I don't mind that at all. It's just the way it's going to be. Now I have to slot the shoe in and hope I get it right. Yay! That's what I wanted. Pretty close to that. That makes me happy. This whole cup makes me happy. I'm just absolutely in love with this whole thing. I love it. I love it. We have sunshine today. We're supposed to have a very sunny day today, so I will probably put UV resin, just a very thin layer over everything and stick it out in the sunshine just like this to cure up and tack everything down. You could also put this on your tumbler turner and apply some CC DIY quick coat, their urethane sealer, and that will also tack everything down. Next time you see this, we should be out in the sunshine. Stay tuned.